Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at something in understanding accounting. So today we are going to be looking at the difference between manufacturing company and merchandising company. In the previous video, we have been focusing our attention on merchandising company, and we saw how merchandising company operate, the operating cycle, we saw inventory, what inventory is, what cost of goods sold is, and how it's being recorded in the financial statement. But I will rush through the inventory. I'll rush through what inventory is and cost of goods sold is. For those that watch the video and did not understand, I'll just rush through it briefly. And for those that haven't watched the videos, so I'm going to put the link of the previous video at the comment section, so you go through it and you better understand. So, we said inventory are simply finished goods which are being bought by the merchandising company from the manufacturing company in order to resell it with the purpose of making profit. And we said that inventory is considered as an asset and a current asset, so it is recorded under the current asset in the balance sheet. So the reason being that it is proven that merchandising companies sell inventory within a year or within the operating cycle. So inventory is considered as an asset and it's finished goods. So when you hear of finished goods, no, they are talking about inventory and it's recorded in the balance sheet. Why we talked about cost of goods sold, and we said cost of goods sold simply refers to the total value of inventory that is being sold within a period of time. So for instance, if you have inventory of 10,000 francs, so if we had a finished good, that's inventory, and we sell it for 10,000 francs to consumers, that is what we call cost of goods. So that 10,000 francs is the value of that inventory and it is called cost of goods sold, and it is considered as an expense and it is recorded in the income statement. Reason being that the reason it's considered as an expense is because it is used to generate revenue, so that is why they consider it as an expense. So it is recorded in the income statement. So that was just what we said about inventory and cost of goods sold, and we also talk a lot about merchandising businesses. So like I said, I'll put the link at the comment section, so you better watch the video and understand. Now, before I start, I would like to thank my subscribers. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. I am grateful and happy. For those that are watching my videos for the very first time, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, comments. Where you see that thumbs up, just hit it. If you find my video interesting, educative, please just hit that thumbs up and comment at the comment section, and don't forget to share my videos. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the program of today, the difference between merchandising companies and manufacturing company. Now, they both strive at making sure that they provide goods to the final consumer, but one company starts the process and another company completes the process. So manufacturing companies, the one that starts the process of transforming raw material into finished goods. So now manufacturing companies activities is to transform raw materials into finished goods. So now the merchandising company comes in, buy these goods or inventory and resell it to the final consumer with the purpose of making profit. So you can have things like this company like transforming woods into furniture, forming glass from sand, or preparing fiber in order to make thread or lace. So that's the work of the manufacturing company. Though not all manufacturing company actually transform raw material into finished goods. Some manufacturing companies depend on other manufacturing company in order to now transform these goods into these materials into finished goods. So they can actually go to other manufacturing company where they have transformed raw material into semi-finished goods. So now they get this semi-finished goods, then come to their company and now transform it into finished goods. So that's the work of the manufacturing company. So they deal with raw materials where they transform it into finished goods, then sell it, and then the merchandising company now comes, buy it, resell it to the final consumer to make profit. So that's what a manufacturing company it's all about. So they just deal with raw materials and they do their best to transform it into usable good or consumable goods. So the merchandising company plays its role by completing the process, by buying it and selling to the final consumer. So that is what manufacturing company and merchandising company it's all about. Now I hope you have understood something from this short video, and please, if you haven't understood anything as far as this video is concerned or as far as my previous videos are concerned, please state it at the comment section. I am going to get to you, so we will talk it through. Now, usually at the end of our video, we always give a short quiz of about 1, 2, or 3 questions where we answer and see where we are lacking in accounting. So today I have a short quiz and it's just one. In my previous video I had like 2, 3, but in this video I have just one, and I'm going to explain it as briefly as possible so everybody, even if it's a layman, even is an uneducated man, or even is somebody that's never done accounting before, can better understand. So I'm not going to be using terms. I'm just going to define the accounting in a very simple way so everybody watching this video can better understand. So the question is, what is accounting? So that's a short quiz of today. What is accounting? So accounting, in a layman way to better understand, accounting is simply a process of recording financial transactions of a particular company. So that is what accounting is all about. So whatever financial transaction that is occurring in a business, in a company, in an organization, the process of recording those financial transactions is what we call accounting. So that is just it, as simple as that. The process of recording financial transactions of a company in maybe within a particular period of time. So that's just what accounting is. So I hope you have understood something from this video. Please, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you in the next video.